Alright, so hi guys. We just today we're gonna unbox the new iPhone 11 in its white color. It got delivered today, and I'm really excited to get into it. So this is the 64GB model. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So we'll peel the plastic off. Like that. Put that to the side. We got our box now. It's quite clever of Apple. It actually, you'll notice, it actually comes up on the side. You won't be able to see it really on camera, but you can feel it. A bit 3D-ish. So on the sides, you'll have the iPhone text. Now on the top and bottom, you got the Apple logo. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright, so you're greeted with the iPhone. Just put that there. So we'll take that out. We'll put that aside for now. And we'll get into what's inside. So you'll see designed by Apple in California. With hello, SIM ejector tool, and some Apple stickers. Just put that back in. Alright, so I just managed to get the things back inside. It's a lot harder to get them back in as they come out. Alright, so then we've got our little charging adapter for the wall. Pretty simple. Then we got our AirPods. Sorry, not AirPods, earpods. With the lightning adapter in the back. And of course we got our lightning to USB cable. So, alright, that's that. I'll just pop that back in the box now. Alright, now let's just have a little look at the iPhone now. So yeah, it looks very nice in its white colour. Feels nice on the hand. So let's have a look at it. So on the side you've got your volume up and down, and the mute and ringer switch. On top there's nothing. On the right side you've got your power button, and then on the bottom you've got your lightning cable and your two speakers. And of course on the back we've got our dual camera, the flash, and I think that's a microphone. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the iPhone 11 in its white edition. Thanks for watching.